Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Right now, cuff-style wristlets are so popular. Rings, also very popular. The blanks make it easy. But what happens if you don't have that? How do you create this beauty? Well, reuse, recycle, repurpose. The little caps that come on a milk carton, it's a wonderful base. Has the ring ready to go, and the center of your corsage tape, give it a cut, and it fits right over the wrist. Just cover it first with ribbon so that it's concealed. So now you know, when you can't get the official pieces, you can always make do with reused pieces.